Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, and welcome to the Law of Attraction Metaphysical YouTube channel that is designed to change your life. Hey, if you're new to this channel or if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So now let's get to the topic of the day. We're going to talk about the Law of Attraction Simplified. Yes, we're going to talk about the Law of Attraction Simplified. This is for people that's been following me all along, and this is for those newbies that are coming on not knowing anything about the Law of Attraction. Now, first I would like to say is that the Law of Attraction is a universal law, okay? It is a universal law. There's many other universal laws that are out there. The law of gender, the law of karma. There is so many, but today we want to focus on the law of attraction and how it can help you change your life. Now, what is it about the law of attraction that we must learn, that we must master in order for us to live the life that we desire? The law of attraction is a gift. It's a gift from God to grant us the blessings of manifesting everything in our lives that we want. Now, one thing that I want to explain to you is that the universe knows no favorites. It doesn't know good or bad. It just knows energy. It just knows stuff that's being put into action. Now, how are you putting this stuff into action? That is by your thinking. That is by the great power of thought. That's what separates us from all the other creatures on this earth. Is our thinking. Is our thinking and ability to create. Okay? Now, what is it about our thinking that allows us to create the life that we desire? Now, what I want to say to you in simple terms is that you have your conscious mind. Your conscious mind is what you see right now. It's what you're experiencing. It's the human you that is experiencing taste, sound, smell, feelings. Everything is coming from your consciousness. Now, we spoke about the conscious mind having the human experience and sending back to the subconscious mind, which is inside everything that it is experiencing throughout the day. Okay? Now, your subconscious mind job is to keep your body functioning and to bring you whatever it is you desire. Now, it doesn't know good or bad, right or wrong. It just knows this is what you're sending me. This is what you're giving me. This is what you are focusing on, and this is what you're giving to me, and I'm going to send this to the superconscious, and it's going to find like-minded thoughts or events or experiences, and it's going to work a way to bring it back to you. Okay? So whatever it is you are focused on, you are feeding that to your subconscious, and your subconscious is sending it out, asking the superconscious to give you more of what it is you're focused on. Now, we have an extra gift, an extra bonus. God has it set up that we don't automatically manifest things into our lives just by thinking about it like that. If that was so, many of us wouldn't be here right now. In fact, all of us wouldn't be here. Because at some time, some point in your life, you had thought ill about someone. You have thought about your teacher, your parents, or the dog, the cat, ill at one point in your life. So God has blessed us with a gift to control what it is we are manifesting in this world. So the law of attraction doesn't work every minute. It's whatever you're thinking, it sends it out. You have time to change what it is you're thinking of. And whatever you're manifesting don't occur with one single thought. It can if it's that powerful, but usually it takes multiple times of focusing on this one thing, focusing and paying attention to this one thing that you actually put out in the universe so it can bring back to you whatever it is you're paying attention to. Now, let's discuss how this can affect your life. Whatever it is you are focusing on, you are paying attention, your life will reflect it in all your experiences. So if you are focusing on the news with the killings and the murders and the rapes, you are actually implanting that in your subconscious. And your subconscious, after a while, is going to say, hey, look, you're focusing on this so much, you must want this. Send it out to the universe and bring it into your experience. Okay? So I tell people you got to be very careful what you're thinking. And if you're thinking something that you don't want in your life, the best thing to do is to change that thought. Now, how do you change that thought? By focusing on things that make you happy, things that give you joy, things that gonna make you smile or laugh. I tell people, watch comedy. Watch something that you love, not something sad and scary. Watch something that's going to put you in a great mood and just make you laugh. Have you ever been in a relationship and then it wasn't the right relationship and you got out of it? To find out the next relationship, you was in another relationship that wasn't the same, but at the same time gave you those same feelings that you had when you were with the other person. Why? It's because you fed your subconscious those negative thoughts, those negative feelings, and it took it in and it sent it out to the superconscious and it brought something back to you on that same vibration, and that was the new man or woman that you're with right now. So now how is it you're going to change your life to manifest what you desire? You're going to keep your thoughts positive. You're going to only focus on things that you want. You're going to eliminate the thought of fear, doubt, despair. Hey, look, we're spiritual beings having a human experience, okay? So things may not be right, but the idea of this video is to let you know where you're going wrong, why you're getting the things you're getting in your life, and learn how you can change it for the better. Now, if I needed to change my life, I would focus on whatever it is I desire. Now, if you watch my videos, you already know what I'm going to say. Visualization, affirmations, scripting. These are techniques that you can use to focus your mind on what it is you're writing or you're thinking or you're saying, to impregnate your subconscious mind into sending out a vibration of what it is you desire. So let's just say you want that house. The whole idea will be focusing on that particular house that you want. Okay? So you want that house, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You're going to speak it. You're going to see it. And you're going to write it. By doing all these things, you are focusing. You are giving attention to what it is you desire in your life. And somehow, some way, it has to manifest in your life if you're doing it the correct way. When you do this, it's sending out that vibration, and it's going to put you in that right place at that right time with those right people to make this manifestation become your reality. Now, how can it go wrong? It can go wrong if what it is you're trying to manifest, whatever you're writing, whatever you're speaking, whatever you're visualizing, if deep down you don't believe it's true, or deep down you have a lot of negativity in you blocking you from getting what you want. You can actually manifest the total opposite of what you want by your inner feelings. Remember, people, the law of attraction is what you pay attention to, what you truly believe, and that is what's going to manifest in your life. Now, let's get back to the relationship as an example. You're in that relationship, and it wasn't a good relationship at all, and you get out of it. Now you want another relationship, and you're writing down, you're visualizing, you're saying affirmations, and then in comes another man or woman. Deep down, you're still thinking about that old relationship where things went wrong, and you're hesitating, or you're having deep inner thoughts that this is not going to work out. Those thoughts become beliefs, okay? And that is what's going to go out to the universe, and it's going to bring problems in your relationship, and that relationship will end up similar to what it was you just got rid of. You control your life. If you want that relationship, you need to do work on yourself to allow that to come into your life, okay? If you want that new house, you have to believe that you are worthy. You have to believe that you have the resources to get that house, along with visualizing, affirmations, and scripting. We can have whatever it is we desire in this world, if only we know the correct way of doing it. Now, the Law of Attraction Simplified. Whatever you pay attention to, whatever you focus on, is what you are going to give to your subconscious that takes it in, good or bad. It doesn't matter. Your wish is my command. It sends it out to the superconscious. It sends it out to the God, the universe. All like-minded thoughts and vibrations all over this world is in the superconscious. It connects and gives you back whatever it is you were thinking of. It's just that simple. How do you change your life? Change your thoughts. People say, well, Eyvette, I just can't stop thinking negative. Things happen, I keep thinking of the past. I tell people, listen, please find something that you love to do. Watch something on TV that makes you laugh. Do painting. Take pictures. Whatever it is you love to do, whatever you need to do to change that way of thinking is what you need to do. Okay? And once you do that, it has to change your vibration. Now, don't get me wrong. Whatever you put out there that already made it out there, you're going to have to let that run its course. It may be this month, next year, 5 years from now, but it needs to run its course. But moving forward, change that vibration. Change it and create the life that you desire. Now listen, this was the Law of Attraction Simplified. For all of those people out there that want to know more about the Law of Attraction and just needed something to start them off in the right direction. This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another Law of Attraction metaphysical lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell, okay? Tap that bell to get notifications of any upcoming videos that I have. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also buy crystals, metaphysical items from store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. Namaste.